Hi, welcome back. Question for you. What's your favorite color? Mine is yellow, even though I don't have so many things in yellow color. My favorite color is yellow, so let's make something in yellow. So today I'm going to show you how to make this daffodils, which is yellow in color. So we are gonna need just a metal wire, scissors, and then yellow crepe paper. Let's get started. So we need 3 petals in the inside and then 6 petals on the outside of the flower. So I'm gonna make the first section here. So take out a yellow piece of paper in a rectangle shape and then cut it out like this. So we need our petal shape like this, 3 of this, and then we are gonna take one of them and stretch the bottom and then just take all the wrangler out here, and then don't tear the paper though. And then we are gonna get this shape, I mean like this texture here, and then all 3. So now we have the 3 petals which cause at the middle. We are gonna glue this. So glue each of them. And then what we're gonna do is just the middle part of the petal, just stretch just the middle part, stretch the middle part of the petal, and then glue it together like this, which goes like this. So we are gonna glue all together both the ends. So we have something like this which goes in the middle, and we have to do the same process, I mean like the petals, to make the outer part of the flower. So make 6 of them for the outside. So we have our 6 petals here, and the first thing that we made here. And then now we are gonna take a small piece of paper like this and then stretch it fully. You only need a half of this, and we are gonna twist it. So we need 6 of this maybe. Make 6 of this thing, this tiny small thing. So now we are going to take the metal wire and then glue it at the top. Glue at the top like this, and then take your this small little body and then paste it. Now we have this thing here, and then take your first section of the petal layer and then glue this once again, and then do like this. Open up the center part with your fingers, and then we are gonna put the second layer of petal. We can either glue it or like tape it. I'm gonna glue it, which is easy. Take your petals here. so all the petals are glued, and then as we did earlier, open up the petals with your fingers. And then now we have our flower here. Now we just need to tape it with our green tape. And then I'm gonna bend this like this. And there we go with our fourth daffodil. It's easy to make. I hope you guys will try this. Let me know how it goes. Bye.